Does your Lumion render look like this? Dark, blurry, and look like a cartoon? Stop using the default settings. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 hidden buttons in Lumion that turn your basic 3D renders into a photorealistic masterpiece. It only takes 60 seconds of the time. Let me show you.
Okay, here is the boring default view. Let's fix it. Step 1. Import your effects. I'll be going with the effects 4. Step 2. The camera alignment. Now go to effects and locate the 2-point perspective. Boom. You can see how the vertical lines just snap straight. This immediately makes your work look professional, architectural photography. Step 2. The lighting. Let's get the real skies and select a clear cloud effect. Push the heading towards a 80 degrees effect. Now you can see the soft shadows it wraps around the building instead of burning it. Step 3. The magic button. Let's get our reflection planes. Now actually click on your glass or your ground to get the reflection. If you don't do this, your glasses look like plastic. Do this and it looks like expensive construction. Now, you could see we have moved it from an ordinary render to a professional look.
Now look at the difference. Basic versus Pro. We could spend hours tweaking these sliders for every project, or you could cheat. Save my personal effect stacks. Exact settings I use for dawn, night, and day renders into a drag and drop file. I have put the link to my Lumion presets in the link below. Download them, apply them, and save yourself hours of stress. Don't forget to subscribe for more design secrets. I am David, and I'll see you in the next video.